I have great experience with YuviPep.
We had a great experience with YuviPep IBC, man.
YuviPep made me understand the technology and innovation.
Mentors, they are very good.
They come and explain it very briefly, and I can understand the concept very easily.
They are encouraging us for many new ideas.
They had taught us many things which we didn't know before.
And whatever the things which we were learning theoretically, and these same things we were trying practically in the YuviPep.
And we'll get some new topics to learn, and it will make our brains more smart.
Identifying problems, to solve the problems, what kind of techniques we can use.
I learned many things from this innovation boys course.
We got some knowledge about talking to people and communicating with them in a better manner, man.
ಇನೋವೇಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಕರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟರು, ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಮಾಯ್ಶ್ಚರ್ ಸೆನ್ಸರು ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡೋದು.
Many people have attended our project.
Our project is automatic irrigation, ma'am. If a farmer is at a far location, by being far also he can water the plants by using this system.
With the YuviPep, we are getting more appreciation.
And I hope that YuviPep it will become a base for our future.
I can solve the problems and think better and think creative.
It would help us in future.
Since the children are earlier compared to before the initiation of this YuviPep program, they were not aware of all this technical knowledge. As they attended for this workshop, they have got a little awareness what is technology.